Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing how to do a stop motion video. So, let's see now. Just set it up. So first you just want your base, right? So you just want your base. Typical thing there. You just want your base, like this. Now, you want lighting. Something like this. I don't usually use the lighting unless it's dark. So, that's why you don't usually see this level of brightness. Now, what I'm going to use on this, I'm going to use this. There. So, first picture taken. Trust me, I'm gonna try and not get in the camera because I'm in my boxers underpants. You want to move it a little bit, and then, boom. And then you can zoom in. Now this is how I do it. If it's not in like the right angle. He looks like a hunched back, dying like animal thingy. And then open the mouth and there. Now here's how I do my stop motion effects. I'm just gonna slap something down. So this is how I do it. So I get on the video that I get on the video. So I get on the video that I need the sound effects from. And so, see this button right there? Yeah, you go to that. Go there and then click 25. 0.25. And then listen for it to start, for the thing to start, and then go back to normal, and then done. So then, there's this thing right there called, let's just zoom back in. Okay. Perfect. So there's this thing right here, known as a microphone. Press record, and yeah, that's how you do it. So then you're done with that. I don't know why it's so dark. It's so low. Why is it so low? Hold on, give me a minute. Sound. Right there. Yeah, about there. That's good. Yes. Weird. So then I can go ahead and close his mouth. And then you're done. Just like that. So, pretty easy. Yeah, I know, pretty easy. Right. So, not over yet. None of this is over yet. So don't worry. I'm going to show you how to do special effects. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. Understand? Chill out, guys. I said chill out. I said chill out. Okay. That didn't happen. So yeah, do that. And then... And yes, I will show you what app you want. Nope. Like what app you would want. I have never done that. That actually looks pretty decent. Eventually you just get lazy. Like it's tiring, so you just have to stop. I mean, it still doesn't, like, do anything to the... effects and all. Like, it doesn't really do too much, but... Right. So this is a complete project. See? Alright. Now... Stop Motion Studio. You want to go to Stop Motion Studio Pro for this. Only for the special effects. I know it sounds stupid, but you can only add special effects on Stop Motion Pro. Now, this is the free one. This is the money. And this is the $5 one. Free one. $5 one. No special effects. Special effects. Sound effects. Sound effects. No faces. Faces. Just editing. I mean, just no editing. Editing. So yeah, there's a difference. Yeah. So, one thing I want to do is give a shout out to someone from my school. He has a YouTube channel as well. Oh, I hate to say his name. His YouTube name is Retard Magician. So, clever name. Yeah. So now the moment you've been waiting for. The Unspoken Thing. A sneak peek at my new Godzilla movie. Or stop motion movie. a sneak peek to my stop motion movie. Yeah, so not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah. Whenever I first got the new Godzilla toy, I actually made something. This is what I made. Pretty cool, huh? Not bad. Alright, so guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully this helped you. Scared the heck out of me. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you already haven't. Yeah, so see you later.